What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, just kind of going to play around with this new lens that I have. It's the Sigma 1600, I believe.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Gonna play around with this just to kind of see how it is, get the quality. I'm gonna try to get some night shots because it's supposed to be pretty good with low light. So I'm not gonna have the video stretch the entire day, but we're at least gonna do a couple errands and just record while I'm out. So let's take a look and let me know what you guys think. And just a heads up, this is not going to be a in-depth review and full detail on the lens. I'm not really huge on different lenses and stuff like that, so I won't be able to go full into all the features and all of that. But I will say, let me take this mask off. I will say, so far what I'm seeing, I'm loving it. But there's no zoom, so won't be able to do any zoom. But so far everything looks pretty good. I'm gonna try to do a feature video with this lens to see how that actually looks. But this is just my regular walking around type of thing. So alright, so I'm going to try to do a quick little audio test as well. Finally found something with the royalty-free beat. I don't know how much justice this will do it. I need to put a sound deadening behind this whole thing. This is usually what I ride around with. It could definitely go louder. I try not to go this loud. That's mostly why. But it could definitely stay there. But it sounds like the glass is tweaking when I do that. Definitely let me know what you guys think in terms of the audio and the video quality. I know the lens don't have anything to do with the audio quality, but definitely been having a lot of people ask me about the sound of this. They did a good job cleaning it. Can't wait to get this fender fixed. Alright, here go the moment of truth. I'll see how it performs at night. I mean, it always looks good through the viewfinder, but I want to see what it looks like when I get finished with like editing and everything. So yeah, let's see. I mean, it's not completely dark out here, but it is pretty good test, I think. yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Show this a little bit more. I had a lot of people saying they wanted to see this a little more in the videos. But yeah, like I said, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.